G'day guys, welcome back to Sumo's Projects. Since my last shop update way back in February now, time flies, I've been pretty busy. I've made a few project videos and also did a shop tips and ideas one. I'll just run through that a little bit and show you what I've been up to and what I'm working on currently. Also, the little segment I started doing and was sort of an idea of a mate of mine in America, Jake Thompson. He came up with the idea of, trying to help other makers and people on YouTube, Instagram, wherever they may be, or people who just may post a photo or two on any type of forum. So, and it's all about helping promote what they do, should they be interested. So, I sort of naming this segment Makers of Interest, and it's so far been very well received, and I'm very proud to be able to help my fellow maker and promote them the best I can, because as I know, it's not that easy to get an audience on YouTube, but it's a thing you have to work on, keep working on and build it up. So it's a great thing to be able to help others out. So today I've got probably about 5 or 6 different makers of interest who I want to promote. But before I do that, I'll just run back on a few things I've been doing, and I'll show you what I'm working on at the moment. Recently I made a purchase of this 14-inch bandsaw. It's a Sherwood brand. I've got a lot of Sherwood equipment. I find they're fantastic to work with, well made, well engineered, and I bought this down at Timbercon because it's an accessible place for me to go to make my woodworking purchases. So I set this up, and I'll probably do a review later on after I've given it a good workout. But so far, I love it. It's a great machine. Sort of going to try my hand at a little bit of market fare. So I'm batching out a lot of cutting boards, and it was suggested to me on Instagram that, I do some end grain cutting boards as well. I really haven't made any of those, and I don't know why, but I think sometimes I take a little bit of the easy road to know I can make this in a certain time that's permissible given my work life, but I have to have a go because they look stunning, and the ones I've seen are just mind-blowing. So I'm going to work on making a few of those. If you're anything like me, I really love these sticker swaps you can do with makers from all around the world. Like in recent times I've got stickers, exchange stickers with people like Zedric on Instagram. He's from Germany. Robin Lewis, he's an Aussie. Marcel's Workshop, Opa's Workshop, and a whole range of others. So they're good fun things to do, and if you're on Instagram, there's always someone wanting to do a sticker swap. So I thoroughly recommend, if you get involved, try to do that. I'll show you some of the stickers I've got thus far. In recent times, I was fortunate enough to be invited onto Makers Monday with Gil Poznanski, and that was a bit of fun. Another project I embarked upon was restoring this old Furphy bench, and it's an iconic brand of Australian type outdoor furniture, and along with this I had some assistance from some good friends from the Homestead Handyman, Don and Caroline.
Okay, so Sumo wants to know why the chicken crossed the street.
Sumo, you should never put all your eggs in one basket.
Thank you, Don and Caroline, for the bit of fun we had. This was a game changer for me. I made this portable workbench, and it's now up and running, but it's still a project I can keep adding on to, and I'm so impressed with it. Dog holes, hold downs, it's just the ultimate workbench, and I love it. The next build video I made was the Anzac Day Remembrance Plaque. A few of us on YouTube made something for this. Dale from Wacky Woodworks, who is actually a maker of interest in today's video, he was the one who set the idea into motion, and I was very grateful to be partaking in this. Coming up next is a shop tour of a good friend of mine, Matt Saar.
G'day, my name's Matt Saar. I'm a full-time custom woodworker, bespoke furniture maker based here in Adelaide, South Australia. Welcome to my workshop. I'll show you around.
My last video was the unboxing of this awesome LD WorkZone Titanium Plus box set of power tools. So all these videos are available if you want to go and have a look and catch up. Do so. Alright, so coming up now is the Makers of Interest section. Introducing Dale from Wacky Woodworks in New Zealand. Dale has a very eclectic channel and some brilliant builds he's done over the years, and I've been always following his channel. It's something that's always offering up something a little bit different. He also produces his own music for his own videos, and it's pretty much available to anyone as long as the makers give a little bit of recognition to who the author is of the music that Dale does produce. And introducing Rob T from the Takami Woodshop. Rob's a maker over in New Zealand. He has some wonderful project videos out, and also very good at making shop-made jigs. So go check out Rob's channel and you won't be disappointed. He's a strikingly friendly fella, and leave him a comment and he'll always get back to you. These sawhorses are actually based on the Matthias Wandel model, so very good build there, Rob. Up next from the USA is Twisted Boards channel. I discovered this channel a while back and subscribed, and I was really surprised to see the high quality craftsmanship that is produced here. Very well made videos, easy to follow, and a skill set that's something that, you know, a lot of us strive to achieve. So this is an excellent channel, relatively undiscovered yet, but in time to come I think it's a channel that's going to really take off. So check out Twisted Boards. And introducing Martin Godsell from MG Makes over in the UK. Martin's a fantastic bloke. His channel's once again a relatively new channel, and I've seen such a big improvement in the way he does produce his videos from the first time he started out, as we all do. And you know, learning by doing is normally the best way to get around these things. So check Martin out. He's a good bloke. Leave him a message. Tell him Sumo sent you, and he's bound to tell you to go away. No, hopefully not, Martin. Just joking. But no, fantastic. So go subscribe to MG Makes, and you won't be disappointed. As well as doing build projects, a few reviews are in the pipeline here, also showing, you know, this is the Evolution miter saw, and Martin made this was his last video, recycling pallet wood to make this beautiful trough. So good work, mate. So last but not least this time around is Old Mountain Woodworking. This is a guy, he doesn't produce many videos, but he's probably more active on Instagram, and he was my 1,000th subscriber, so thank you very much for that. And I recommend you go over, check out this channel and subscribe, and also give some love. So there you go, guys, some fabulous makers, good people. Go and subscribe, all links down below, and watch their videos. Tell them Sumo sent you, and give them some love. That's what community is all about. Recently, this happened. Thank you kindly, everyone, for subscribing. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. And perhaps, if you want, just share the videos that all the makers make. And that's a big part of helping build up your channel and you know, continuing on and growing in a community that's such a wonderful place to be. All right, till the next time, go out and make something, have a bit of fun. And guys, if there's anyone out there who wants me to give you a shout out, I'll try my best to help your channel. Please leave a message down below and let's see where we go from there. All right, hooroo.